What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Colby or Colbzz, and we got some sweet stuff, some sick stuff in the mix for you guys today. So first, we're going to talk about the market leaders, the front runners, if you may. Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to start off with that. Then we're going to take a little bit of a turn. We're going to talk about the Turbo meme coin, everybody, right? I'm sure some of you have heard about the meme coin Turbo. It's pretty big. They got roughly 100K followers on Twitter. And it's just been gaining a lot of traction. It recently got a COINBASE listing, so we're going to go over that for a little bit. And at the end, we're going to go over the giveaway that's coming up soon at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, Bitcoin right here blew through all-time highs, everybody, right? We're sitting at roughly $107,000. Blows my mind. It's insane. So as you can see, this looks like it is the all-time average, the all-time chart. Within the past week, this sucker has just been going up. Back on the 10th, about roughly a week ago, it was only at $96,000, under six-figure mark. Came up to 100,000, hit 102,000. Then it hit 101,000 over here, and it kind of had a retraction back under the six-figure mark to 99K. It was fighting for that $100,000 resistance level, and then as you can see after that, it was off to the races. The thing blew past all-time highs, blew past ATH. That sucker's sitting at $107,000 right now. So we have a $2.11 trillion market cap. Huge. I mean, just to think that this at one point was, it had a massive retraction. Looks like after COVID as well. It was back down to even 17 grand back here. And as you can see that chart right there, just all the way up. To think this, man, back in, imagine you bought this back in 2011. 2012, it was $11.16 for one Bitcoin. Now it's 106,000, 107,000 for one. Blows my mind, man. That is just insane. But yeah, we're in a super big bull run with the market right now, so everything's going well. Nice bull run going on. Let's move right on to Ethereum, second front runner for the market. Check out Ethereum. So Ethereum's fighting for that $4,000 resistance level. We're gonna go with the 1 month right here. As you can see, roughly a month ago, it was at 3,111. Fast forward a month later, we're fighting for that $4,000 for one Ethereum spot. So it's roughly $3,951 as it stands. December 17th, it's $3,950 for one single Ethereum token. We got about a $475 billion market cap. As you can see, there was a retraction, and just look at that chart, man. It's beautiful. Back in 2021, it hit an all-time high of 4,700. I do believe we're going to go past that. Ethereum is kind of having a slow quarter, but Bitcoin is not. Ethereum, I believe, is going to follow in its close footsteps. We're going to blow on by that. And to think back, even back in 2016, it's $13 for one Ethereum coin. Now we're sitting at $3,900 for an Ethereum coin. Nuts, man. Nuts, if you ask me. Crazy, crazy stuff going on here. All right, so now we're going to move right into Turbo. If you guys don't know what Turbo is, it's a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain, right? So it's on the Ethereum blockchain. The thing about Turbo is it recently got a COINBASE listing, which is big. Turbo was not listed on any major exchanges. You could get it on Uphold and some smaller exchanges, but this was big for Turbo coin, right? And this was huge, so it got listed on COINBASE. I believe it was on the 11th of December it got listed. It's now the 17th. And as you can see, guys, right, since Turbo's gotten listed on COINBASE, it's kind of in a downtrend. Nothing to worry about. Don't worry about that. Usually when stuff gets listed, people buy and sell off the news. So pretty much what's going on, they buy off the hype, sell off the news. So there was just a minor retraction. That's pretty normal. It could either go way up, way down when it comes to COINBASE. We're going to go ahead and look at this is before it got listed. We'll go ahead and look at the 6-month chart, or the 3-month chart rather. So back in September, as you can see, we were all the way down here at 0.006. We were yet to break through a penny, and then we absolutely blew through it in October. So I remember hanging out, talking to one of my buddies on the phone, man. And once we blew through that penny mark, we were hyped, man. We were through the roof, ecstatic. It was great times. So yeah, back in October, it's looking like it hit the 1.3 mark, the 0.013 mark, so a little bit over a penny. It had a pretty major retraction back to 0.007, came back up, hit a penny. So it's kind of just like, it's kind of battling in that penny area. I feel like it wants to push through to 2 cents, but it's having a strong battle right now before the Coinbase listing, as you can see. We were at 0.006, and this massive buy, I believe, in my personal opinion, was a buy from the hype. People were hyped about that Coinbase listing. They heard about that Coinbase listing. They started to buy. We had a retraction below a penny, 0.009. We had the, let's see what date this was. This was the Coinbase listing came out, and then people probably thought this was the top off, and then they were selling off the news. So people got the news, started selling off, but nothing to be worried about. We're still above a penny, which is huge. Okay. So this is the 6 month, this is the 3 month right here for Turbo. Still looking super bullish. As you can see, it's an uptrend on the chart from here to here. It's just, I mean, this was an all-time high right here. And as you can see, this all-time high was even higher than the previous one. Okay. And this is ever since it got listed on Coinbase. As you can see, it's kind of just been in somewhat of a downtrend. Nothing to be worried about. That sucker's still above a penny. As long as you can hold that penny right there, that 1 cent level of resistance, I think we're A-okay. I think we're A-okay with Turbo. Super bullish on this project, and that thing's just going to keep going up, right? So the last thing we're going to go over today, guys, is we do have a well, first we're going to go over Grow AI. Grow AI is a coin that I'm super convicted in right now. It's super early project. It is on the Ethereum Uniswap blockchain, right? Ticker Grow-AI. I will also drop the crypto address below, the CA below, okay? Sitting at roughly 2.93 cents, $2.93. This thing's super volatile, man. Super early on the project. So we're looking pretty good with that. As you can see, it had a massive pump right here. This candle pumped up. We came back down, set a nice resistance level right here, a new low. Came back up, blew through ATH again, set a new all-time high there. Had a nice retraction. As you can see, that right there was the new low. So that's our resistance level right around here. It stayed stable here. We came back down. We had somewhat of a sell-off, and we're sitting pretty at $2.91. And I believe this sucker's just primed to go. We're primed to hit roughly $50 next, I think. $737,000 market cap. We're looking pretty dang good right now. So the trading volume, 24 hours in Turbo is $198 million. It's looking like a strong buy. It's looking like a buy right now. I'd rate it a strong buy. Turbo, man, this thing is just going to gun through the roof, let me tell you, especially after that Coinbase listing. Small retraction, this thing is going to go up, everybody, right? So last but not least, we're going to talk about the giveaway, guys. We are roughly sitting at 700 subscribers right now. If you guys haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 20 total Grow AI tokens, okay? So if you look right now, we're sitting at roughly $2.91 for Grow AI. So you do the math, 20 times 291. It's about $58, right? And this thing is just going to keep going and going. So I'm going to give away 10 Grow AI tokens to 2 separate people, 20 in total. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Every milestone we hit on this channel, I will be doing giveaways. So we got a lot of growing to do, a lot of fun stuff in the future. But that's my little Turbo video. We're going to do another one tomorrow. So we're locked in, man. Super convicted on this. Coinbase just listed Turbo on the 11th. So huge things to come, man. Coinbase is its first major exchange. I believe that it's next. It's going to be on Binance next. And after that, we're just going right to the moon, guys. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Much love. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.